everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into another recipe from the 5-ingredient Renal diet cookbook where simple ingredients meet kidney-friendly recipes. So every recipe we make is going to be low in sodium, low in phosphorus, and low in potassium, but still tastes really, really good. So if you are new here, we are working our way through the entire cookbook, trying out every recipe that's in it, and you are going to know exactly what to expect when you make it. So if you want to cook along with me, you can find the 5-ingredient Renal diet cookbook on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the caption below. So let's get into it. So today we're going to be making the Madison golden tomato tofu scramble. It looks like this. So for this recipe, you're going to need a yellow onion, a tomato, turmeric, I'm just using PC brand, coriander, again PC brand. You're going to need extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need cottage cheese, I'm just using no name brand, and some tofu and some salt. So the first step is you're going to take your olive oil and you're going to put it on the stove in a pan and heat it up on medium to high heat. So we're going to take a quarter of the onion and we're going to chop that up. So once your olive oil is heated up, you're going to add your onions and cook that for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna chop up half a tomato. And then once your onions are done cooking, you're going to add your half tomato chopped up. You're gonna add an 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, an 1/8 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/16 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna go add this to the pan now. So next you want to measure out 4 ounces of tofu and then you're going to crumble it. 4 ounces on the dot. I love when that happens. I'm going to just chop this up because I have soft tofu, so I'm going to just chop mine up and then I'm going to toss it in. You're also going to take 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese and toss that in as well. So I'm just going to toss that all in at the same time. Okay, and I'll take you guys over there with me so you can see what it looks like. This is what we have right now. So I'm going to add the tofu and the cottage cheese. And then you're going to cook this for about 2 minutes or until it's warm. I'm actually just going to add some black pepper into mine as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks really good. It's so much color, but let's give it a shot. That's actually really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. I think maybe having this with toast would be really good. You can put it on your toast, and I definitely probably would have added a little bit more black pepper in the end, but overall I think it's really good. It's really quick, really easy. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along as we complete the 5-ingredient Renal diet cookbook. And if you want your own copy to cook along with me, again, remember this is available on Amazon. I will put the link below, and thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.